sɛ mobufu ya na mo atwe se kai eduru abato so mo bati hidi ne akukuru mu na mo di nsɛm ho ya nto mo gidi bia so wɔka no kɔrɛ so ne nsɛm a waka bia mu bɛ sɛ 90% amanfo aba abɔntra bɛka kwam na gye Japan mahunu several times a wɔka sɛ ɛnyɛ no kɔrɛ na $3 million masa saa bere na no mo TMPP the whole bank kwa no mo capital ɛsɛ a whole bank no mo capital ɛsɛ aban kwa no kɔpɛ bosia the whole sika de na aban no benya enti ono no ensema anya no kore atro en woni nim die enti no wontimi fa policy bia meto se weni yo ade onim ani ateni obedi watem adidi ma ase nyina atem ade onim ya am enti ono ne de enfa nto enti ono de se ga MPP kura wo mkoto aban kura sebi o so obi odwene ko akiri bia no papa we kura nkonya 20% kura na nko no kura waya ade na enzo so no o man ya etimu no sika ye nipa denti no amanfo ama independent men eto so bi Bawku de no de meka ne say Ghana for de mo pene mo anya because John Mahama enye se Ghana ma o medi do wa bedida enye ma wo ye na ewi ase hwi nsi enso o free so na Ghana no de ko IMF krono won na asefo bo no 2012 to 2016 and Ghana for to abaditi an enso so no odi atro etwa akofisem saa de kire Ghana for saa ma Ghana na covid so na na do ba yi ni tira nye ya covid no eba be hia na NDC for the atro ba ba gitu bi na de America no Bawku de say sa wo maam yegu ne sa wo so wada ibi bro yi le behwe hwe NDC atefo atro JJ Rollins ekum ya na e no be hia akiri tu ni nipa kro o mo de year politics saa 208 afi yeso won fa nipa kro mra wo this a chemical interrogation obi wo so woni nipa kro no the same thing as John Mahama ko gina Bawku e ko kan ye se wo NDC wa be ma Bawku jo NDC free one man Bawku wa be jabeja na mi buso se John Mahama oba 8 months ni e di ade no wetin IGP and anim se bosumo nsu abo no okoduru Bawku nka odwane na kofo de ka IGP odwane kofo de ka NDC asefo no wo no enye politics wo ni ba bi gina wo efiri Rollins su beti Mahama so wo de check NDC ni bia sanye Ghana na e cheap a wo munya adwuma papa bia wo bia se wo ma de wo mutimi nti ba politics na emoja kro mo de bi so de anya because apart from politics wo ni adwuma bia ye wo bia NDC ni bia wo pa check we halu na idru so okudwato abra kwa ane se dwantire hugya so atro odi ye free ayi eba ye hwe following ministry hwe ende ma wo ye ho no wo hu de wo ye enti de American se Ghana for akanfo amo Ghana se de ahoho si bo o manu mu ne basabasa ne niam ekọ o manu mu kro ne ye NDC for about 70% wo be ahoho me na me ka kire wo NDC for asefo do na ya ahoho ti wo no wo mo ba mahuru Bawku na foto ni wo se ye be to aba ne be fa ne se de be ko national security o be ye fa ne nko enti sa nkrofo na atwetwe atuo ni aseka de agina Ghana for so atuo ni aseka de mo se 2012 no 2024 na ba na anwi ni ano me de akon akode no mo de agina Ghana for so enti akanfo na mugu Ghana no mo mama adwene nya adwuma na NDC aban no 2028 muntu mu mfiro nti sa wo da ma wo na wo yire da ho ya be fa wo yire de na ko wan hwe asa de be ko so Ghana because an krofo na NDC 40 wo mo na wo mo ankasa na atwetwe atuo ni asekan o mo de agina Ghana for so ne galamsey site ene baabia na yaye e na Bawku so de ndem di twa to ye nuan muslimfo bi no ye sremo mo pentokwa dodo ye nuan muslimfo bi no mo pentokwa dodo ubufu kakra bia no watwe sekan wo ho odena fako wuro nkodo na fanye sika etuo wo ho odena fako kwaye me na akrante eburu 10 million na fako ewura mkoku akrante ne gya se mobufu ya na matwe sekan eduru abato so mabati hidi ne akukuru mu na mudi nsam ho ye nuan muslimfo bi no mo pentokwa dodo adai monko na mo ye nipa mobufu ya na matwe sekan mobufu ya na matwetuo monko ade asemba mu ntumi mfa no nka gise mo ka mojagu ofa manchester na pastor ni nua dem no wahye no edam papa be so kura na wo no mo ede be nko adai uko kan so ayesi bia wo kire ho ana sese asem aye nokore no amfa nokore na anto amasa enyeye yesi ba bi asem ne dan wa amfa anhya efiri to edi e kan kire ye nua muslimfo ene NDC fo atrofo akohwifo John Mahama otrofo a won kan nokora wada da nipa free da aba besi na enye politics na no de wode aye na fuom wode aye na bibia because apart from politics na NDC ni bi oni bibia aye NDC fo asefo wo de check hello na idrusu okujeto abrakwa Sam George it wo ye politics na chese wodi abrokro mbeku NDC fo asefo ano no enti
Yeah. Looking at what is happening between the Mampusi and the Kusasi, from where I am sitting, I think President John Mahama did not handle the issue very well by using that as a political score, by saying that it is Dr. Bawumia that is causing that. And I even heard Adams Bona vividly saying that the Bawku conflict, it is the vice president who is behind all this. And this, the enemy within the MPP also used that against Dr. Bawumia, which Dr. Bawumia did not get even a single vote from what came out from Bawku, some of the polling stations. We could see that Dr. Bawumia scored 0. Likewise, I think the Mampusi side, Mahama also scored 0. So now that you were saying that the president should use the armed forces, no. What the president ordered is what he has gotten. So he should go back to the people and tell them, I came here to lie to you. Because he said that he's going to give them even the district, which Mahama we know is an incompetent man. He can never give the Kusasi a district. Even though the background of the story is the British colonial rule in favor of Mampusis. But because the Kusasi they also dominate, there are more people or they are the large group of people, they think they were being cheated. But hey, it is what it is. You people are brothers and sisters, so we will plead with them. If they don't want the land, they should kill themselves and leave it for their accounts. We will come and take over the land and then farm over there. Because I don't think they want peace. What happened at the Yanas group, how Nanado Dankwa and then Otunfo handled the issue, there was not a single day that the other group are coming for meetings that there wasn't security people there. There was much security there. But here is the case that they started this case. All the security that they put there, I don't think even Yohonu did a good job. Yohonu did not do a good job. As a security IGP, I was expecting that he could have provided them more security people. That led to the killing of the chief. Because you know these people, nobody wants to surrender. Nobody wants to surrender. And these issues, you need to handle them with wisdom. You don't handle them with anyhow. You allow Kevin Taylor to insult Otunfo. So Kevin Taylor should go to Bawku and solve the matter for John Mahama. Thank you, my dear.